Okay, so good day class. This is our 3.2.2 example. So we're going to use our 3.1 and 3.2 examples. So the required is a find the parallel and perpendicular components of our acceleration at t equals 2.0 seconds. Okay, so recall that our acceleration vector, instantaneous acceleration vector is this at 2 equals, at t equals 2 seconds. Okay, so negative 0.5 meters per second squared I hat plus 0.30 meters per second squared I hat. And the magnitude for this is 0.58 meters per second squared. And basing from our diagram, uh, the alpha and beta are 52 degrees and 128 degrees respectively. Okay. We are now going to talk about the acceleration. That means we're going to get this. Okay, so the acceleration vector, its direction, and the angle raw. Okay, angle raw. So in order to get the direction for our acceleration, going to use theta is equal to 180 degrees minus tan inverse of 0.3 over 0.5, which is equal to 149 degrees. Okay, why 149 degrees? Because this part is 31 degrees. That is from the negative axis, negative x-axis. 149 is from the positive x-axis. Okay, so let's put beta again um, in our diagram in order to get the value for rho. Okay, so that is our beta. Beta is from the positive x-axis to v2. Okay, that is from the positive x-axis to v2. Okay, let us enlarge that picture. Okay, that's the enlargement, meaning that our I'm so sorry, that's raw, meaning that our raw is equal to 149 minus 128 degrees, which is 21 degrees. Okay, so our raw is 21 degrees. Now we're going to get the parallel and perpendicular components of our vector acceleration vector. This means that there is a parallel acceleration parallel with our velocity vector and a perpendicular acceleration. Okay, so to get our parallel acceleration or the parallel component, we're going to use this a cosine 21 degrees, which is equal to 0.54 meters per second squared. And for our perpendicular, we have a sine 21 degrees, which is equal to 0.58 sine 21 degrees is equal to 0.21 meters per second squared. Okay, so we found the required. I think that's the final answer for our example. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please stand by for I will be uploading 3.3 over the for the following days. Okay, 3.3, that is projectile motion. Okay, so thank you for watching.